Not so many organizations are practicing work-life balance. Work-life balance does not have to be limited to allowing people to spend more time with their families, but to do their interests even inside the organization and sponsored by companies. The struggles of all Filipinos, especially here in Metro Manila, are man-made. The struggles, to be specific, they are government-made. So the struggle, to me, the basic struggle is, kung makikita natin yan, siguro mga 70-30. 70 represents the daily struggle of the workers in daily commuting. No? Kawawa ang mga empleyado, wala tayong mass transport system. At kung meron mang itong mga available TNBS, medyo mahal yan. To me, that is considered to be 70% of the time. That is the daily struggle. Yung 30%, yan yung struggle ng mga workers inside the workplace. Taking care of employees, there are so many ways. And I am always partial to giving yung mga low-cost reward, low-cost approach, zero-cost strategies, like allowing people to, if they are really good, no? They are getting an above-average rating in their performance, let us say for the past 5 years, consistent the past 5 years, ang mga pwede dyan na encouragement tools are, let us give them the chance to choose their next assignment. Okay, that's one. Number two, allow these people to enjoy flexi-time, flexible arrangements. Allow them to work from home. If you are good, you can do your job anywhere, no? Whether inside the office or outside of the office. Ang issue naman ng management is that how can I be sure if this worker is really working? You only have to trust these people. Kasi trust begets trust, di ba? So, importante na binigyan mo sila ng trust, these people will not violate that trust. At the end of the day, ano yung production nila if they are allowed to work from home? No? So at the end of the day, ano yung na-accomplish mo? Again, in summary, people management, HR, is not a zero-sum game. There is always a win-win solution. At yun ang laging hahanapin natin. Hindi tayo dapat maging arrogant sa ating mga empleyado.